Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Thanks to Allah who always give us healthy, so we can study together in good condition.
I feel blue, ma'am.
Oh, why you feel blue? Are you rather sick? How do you feel right now? If you feel unhealthy today, you can stay in UKS or UKS unit health student.
Thank you, ma'am. I just feel a little kind of cold, but I'm still strong enough to join this class.
Okay. Hope you get those ya, tas ya.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, let's restart our lesson today by reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Right. Let's check to see who's here. Remember to answer present or I'm here, right?
Okay.
Eka.
Present.
Okay. Dia Juliani
Present.
dan Tasya.
I'm here.
Okay, thank you everybody. Please get your book and your pencils out. Prepare to write important points that you can read again later. Then please pay attention to me ya.
Okay.
Where's your book? Okay, then where's your pen?
This is me.
Okay, thank you. Before we next to the material ya, Miss have an ice breaking. You must follow my instruction ya. If Miss say up, you must stand up, and if I say down, please sit down. Okay? Up. Okay. Down. Okay. Faster ya. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Okay, please be focus ya. Okay, next. Does anyone remember what we learning in previous meeting?
Discussion text me.
In previous meeting, we learned about discussion text, but we focus in listening skill ya.
Yeah.
Today we will learn about discussion text again, but we focus in reading and viewing. We are focused in structure today, okay?
Okay.
I will give you one question. You can answer this in Indonesian language or English, that be better. Have you ever heard of the term carbon footprint? Then what do you think about it?
Yes, we have missed pollution, hot air, carbon dioxide.
Okay, thank you. Carbon footprint is the total greenhouse gas emission caused directly and indirectly by an individual, organizational, event, or product. Yeah. Today we will learn about discussion text with the topic carbon footprint. Our learning objective today is to analyze content meaning and evaluate social function, text structure, and also linguistic element of written of discussion text ya. But Miss will give you one sentence for motivation. Never stop learning because life never stop teaching. So please always be fighting to learning about all materials, about all knowledge, especially in English because we are in English class. Okay?
Alright, Miss.
Let's view this video about carbon footprint first.
A simple show explains a carbon footprint. This is you. You've probably been hearing a lot about climate change and how you should reduce your carbon footprint. But what is that exactly? Just like an actual footprint, it's a mark you leave upon the environment. No, not with your shoes, but with every action that releases carbons. Those are the harmful gases, such as CO2, which are pumped out by burning fossil fuels like oil and gas. The more fuel you use, the bigger your footprint will be. You may think that by driving your car, the only carbons you release come from the engine, but no. Consider the carbons that are emitted just to get fuel into the tank, from the energy needed to extract the oil from underground, the pollution caused by transportation and refinement, to the final delivery to your local petrol station. Not to mention the CO2 released by manufacturing your car in the first place, more than you thought. So unless you live in a cave, you and everything you own has its own carbon footprint. Read a book. Already distributed. It uses energy. Brush your teeth, and your utensils will have industry in a factory. Even something as basic as an apple could have traveled hundreds or even thousands of polluted miles to end up in your local supermarket. You see, it's pretty much impossible to leave no carbon footprint behind, but that's no reason to stop trying. Think about your actions and choices, and you'll be able to reduce your personal mark after all. That's how you really put the boot into climate change.
Okay, finish. After we watch the video, what does the video tell you about? Please anyone? Okay, Tasya.
The video talks about the definition and common human activities which leave carbon footprints and eventually contributing to climate change.
Okay, thank you. Give applause for Tasya. Everyone, please open your WhatsApp group and find a group with the title Life Today, page 160. Let's have a look at picture 4.9 about the emission by food type. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, now the picture is like this. And I'll show the picture first. Is there anyone else about this picture?
Miss,
Okay.
what will we do with looking at this picture?
We will examine this image or this picture and answer some questions, ya, Eka.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
Okay. Have you observed the picture?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, next, please answer the question orally or clearly. What does the picture describe? Does anyone raise your hand? Okay, Tasya.
The picture describes gas emission produced by different types of food. It is shown that meat produces the largest emission, namely up to 56.6%.
Okay, thank you. Now we can see in this picture, in this diagram, that meat has a large contribution in greenhouse gas effect or in carbon footprint. Yeah, okay. The next is which one has the most and the least contribution to carbon footprint?
Miss,
Okay.
the one has the most contribution to carbon footprint is meat, while the one with the least contribution is fruit.
Okay, thank you, Eka. Nah, Then before you read, you can consult your dictionary, your Google Translate, in your phone, or search picture about the vocabulary for further information. Get it? Okay, please. What's your vocabulary that you learn? Meat. Okay, meat. And you? Airport. Okay. And you?
A greenhouse means
Greenhouse. Okay, greenhouse, carbon, and meat. Okay, thank you. Okay, time is up, yeah? Okay, time is up, and please pay attention to me. Miss will explain about the discussion text, yeah? Nah, look at this one. Definition and purpose of discussion text. Please, anyone read about the definition? Okay, Mas ya?
definition. Discussion text is a text that presents both sides of an issue or argument.
Okay, thank you. This discussion text is a text that presents both sides of an issue or argument. So in discussion text, like we are discussing about disagree and disagreement like that, ya. Okay, communicative purpose of discussion text is present an argument and information from different points of view. So you have two different points, like we disagree or we agree in an issue, yeah? Then structure. The structure, there are four. The first is issue. Issue is introduction to the problem being discussed. The issue usually in first paragraph, yeah. Then arguments for. Please, Eka, read about arguments for.
Arguments for concrete explanation. The argument you express can be in the form of advantage, benefit, and so on.
Okay. Then arguments again, please, yeah. Read about arguments again.
Arguments against contain negative or contra explanation, so you can explain things that make you disagree regarding the issue being discussed.
Okay, thank you. And then conclusion. Conclusion is the last part in the discussion text. It can be a recommendation for the issue. Now, for the simple explanation, for the simple description of the structure, the first issue is introduction. Biasanya berada di first paragraph or paragraph pertama. Dan arguments for is like we agree about the issue, and then arguments again is contain about disagreement about the issue. Then conclusion is posing or recommendation, ya. Next is language features. In language features of discussion text, we have 6 language features. The first is generic, like sound, rate, carbon footprint, and need. Why we choose these vocabularies like sound, rate, and etc.
Because the text discuss about carbon footprint.
Alright. Applause for mereka. Okay, then the next is simple present tense. Nah, simple present tense in this discussion text about carbon footprint is like this. We produce the most greenhouse gas emission, blah blah blah. Nah, this is pasti kalian masih ingat kayak tentang simple present tense itu? Maka di discussion text ini kita menggunakan simple present tense. Then thinking for, like think, believe, rely, decide, hope, forget, conclude, etc. And modality, can, should, etc. And then constructive conjunction, like but, on the other hand, however, on the other side, although, etc. And then passive voice, like this, is produced, is used, and are formed. English written in the text entitled "You Need to Stop Eating Meat" in page 163 ya, and discuss with your group. Okay? Please discuss and answer question number 1 until number 5 with your group about do we need to stop eating meat in page 163 ya. Then we will practice together after that, okay?
Alright, Miss.
You can use your dictionary or your smartphone to add an additional information about discussion text ya.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, time is up. Now let's answer the questions you worked on during the discussion. Okay, number 1. What is the communicative purpose of the text? The answer is D. Okay, D. To present two different points.
Point you about the effect of being vegetarians and meat eaters.
Okay, right. Then number 2. Please, anyone read about the question?
The statement which support the writer's position is blah blah blah.
The answer is
The answer is C. We produce the most greenhouse gas emissions, which include methane, which also leads to carbon footprint.
alright. Then number 3. We answer with yes or no ya.
Yeah.
Number 3 first. According to the UN, livestock emissions are up to 34 times more damaging to the environment over 100 years
Marco Polo. By discussing with group, I get the additional insight that discussion text have language feature. There are generic participants such as need, carbon footprint, environment. Discussion text using simple present, thinking verbs such as I believe, I think, I understand. Modality, constructive conjunction, and passive voice.
Oke, thank you. Kita fokus ya. You all understand and can do your assignment well. I'm so proud of you because you are willing to learn and try your best. Yes,
Yes,
Okay, next one. Okay, class. Our material today has done. Let's recheck your understand about our material. Okay, what we are learning about
Discussion text.
Okay. What's the communicative purpose of discussion text? Please, Saskia.
The communicative purpose of discussion text is to present arguments and information from different points of view.
Okay, right. Then, please mention schematic structures of discussion text. Please, Dia.
Schematic structure of
Schematic. Sorry, Miss. Okay.
Schematic structure of discussion text are statement of issue, arguments, or argument against recommendation.
Okay, right. Thank you. Give us a round. Okay, we are learning about discussion text today. Then I will give you assignment. I will give you assignment for individual assessment. Please open your WhatsApp group, look at the ebook, then go to page 194. The title is Environmental Impact of Online Shopping. Yeah? Mark as assignment in question number 1 until number 4. Do the assignment at home, then submit them at the next meeting. Okay?
Okay.
Then this